Hello everyone, today I will show you a speed sculpt of a biker ring with skulls. I will occasionally provide off-screen commentary, so let's get started. I'll create the skull simply from a sphere. Using the move brush, I'll shape it. Then I'll retopologize with voxel remeshing and start detailing with the clay brush. I'll work with the move, clay, crease, smooth, and flatten brushes, periodically retopologizing with the voxel command. I don't pay much attention to the back of the skull since we won't need it in the future. I'll also use the cell mask to mask areas of the skull I don't want affected by brushes. Using the split brush, I'll separate the lower part of the skull for the teeth. I'll work on the teeth. Add the nasal septum and refine the pear-shaped opening of the skull. I'll continue making adjustments, adding details, and refining the skull shape. I'll use the trim brush to remove the back part of the skull since it's not needed for the ring. I'll shorten this part a bit as it seems a bit long. I'll mask the upper part, blur the mask, and use the move brush to adjust the upper jaw and move the teeth. The skull is ready. Let's move on to the ring. The ring will be a bit thick. I'll add a cylinder with a radius of 11 to the scene and enable hold for the cylinder. I'll add another cylinder with a radius of 9 for the finger size and adjust the ring to fit. Next, I'll enable hold for the cylinder and create borders of thickness 0.6. I'll activate symmetry on the y-axis and radial symmetry on the y-axis. Using the clay brush, I'll create a rope or braid and refine it with the crease brush. I'll position the skull on the ring and add radial repeaters to the skull, along the y-axis. I'll mask the ring and slightly depress it. I'll apply a texture under the skulls using the stamp brush. The ring is complete. I'll set up rendering. I like tarnished silver. In my opinion, it turned out great. Looking forward to your comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Goodbye for now.